rocking this fender, he's tucking the edges in deep. Like he's going so deep on these edges to make sure there's no seams. Because for a stealth car, if you don't go deep, you see glossy gaps in between the panels. So it's really important to go as deep as possible.
How deep?
Hey, just as deep as possible. And Hugo's the man for the job. Hugo, you go deep.
All the way through, man.
All the way through with those edges. We're getting it done.
What's up, it's Joe with OC Detailing, and it is Christmas Eve, so I'm super excited that we got this car done in time to send it back home with its owner. Howard's going to be really happy with this. It's going to be the greatest Christmas present ever. This is a BMW M5 competition. It's out here getting the final outside check over by myself and the crew. That's one of the really important things we do here is like when we finish a car, we get all the big stuff done, we pull it outside, and we call it the 100-man march because all of us walk around the car a bunch of times to make sure everything just looks as good as it can. This car came in for a really big job, so it's important we check everything because it had a full paint correction, wheels off detail. We did 100% XPEL stealth wrap that was custom. We actually did some black vinyl accents too. We did some gloss accents on the carbon fiber. We finished this thing off with CQuartz Finest Reserve ceramic coating on the paint, the wheels, the glass, the trim, and we did 3M Crystalline window tint all the way around. This car now looks amazing, super unique, and it's going to stay this way for years to come. Merry Christmas, thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.